The magic backpack. Jamie received a special backpack for his birthday. It looked ordinary, but when he unzipped it, he discovered it was magical. Every time he put something in, it multiplied. Jamie decided to use this gift for good. He packed snacks and toys and headed to the park. There he met kids who didn't have much. Jamie shared his snacks and toys, watching their faces light up with joy. They played games, laughed, and enjoyed the sunny day. Jamie realized that sharing made his heart feel happy. Soon, he wanted to do more. Every week, he filled his backpack with goodies to share with others. The park became a place of laughter and kindness, where everyone came together to play. Jamie learned that the true magic of his backpack wasn't in multiplying items, but in the happiness it brought to others. He made new friends and created a community of kindness. From then on, Jamie promised to use his magic backpack to spread joy wherever he went.